Here's how to convert an image to a PDF. Now let's open up the Photos app on your iPhone. If you want to convert any of these to a PDF, I'm going to tap on select at the top right. And then let's say I select 4 different images, however many you choose, you can convert those. To convert them to a PDF, we need to tap on the share icon at the bottom left. And after we've done that, you'll be able to see if I scroll down, there's no one option that converts it to a PDF, but we can do it essentially by printing to PDF. So tap on print option right here. And now you'll be able to see we don't necessarily want to print this, but at the top right, there's a share icon again. So tap on that share icon and you can see creating PDF. Now, once it goes through this process, you'll be able to see it's a PDF document. And now I would email it, text it, or I can hit save to files. If I tap on save to files, I can save it into the downloads files on my iPhone. I'll show you how to find those. Just hop out here, swipe over the app library, and we will search for files and open that up. Now, once we've done that, tap on downloads, and there is that PDF. I can open it up and see that PDF of all of those different photos on my iPhone.